If you want to start an in-demand infrared business, then you need the right things at your fingertips to be able to execute on the job and ultimately build a thriving patching business. Some of the things that we need are as follows. We need a steel broom to be able to scrub the surface, make sure that we're getting all the loose debris out of the area so that we can get into the depth of the patching. We want to be heating asphalt, not dirt. Then we go ahead and we have our asphalt lute designed to rake the surface of the asphalt nice and smooth. We've got additional rakes here that are going to allow us to get in with the grain, with the serrated edge, and move that asphalt around. You'll also need the rejuvenator to be able to add to your spray bottle and spray that into the asphalt mix it together for proper bonding so that it's ready for compaction. Another great addition is to have your stencil markings so that you can lay out exactly what you're going to do from a heat press perspective. Nothing better than having the right target to place your infrared unit on. We've got shovels and ice scrapers. As you can see, we've also got a spray bottle that we're going to use rejuvenator when we add it to our mix to be able to mix that up and create the bond that's needed for our proper patching. We've got a hand tamper right here. This hand tamper is fantastic for tamping around the hard to get areas and compacting the edges as well. We've got a vibrating plate right here. The vibrating plate's fantastic to pass back and forth on top of that patch, creating a nice compaction for lasting results. And of course, we have the infrared units that we have here at Asphalt Kingdom. These infrared units are designed to heat up to a depth of 2 inches and ultimately create a workable surface that you can then create a watertight patch with. It is a fantastic patching solution. It's not intensively labor costly, and it's of course an in-demand repair that's really underserved. Let's face it, potholes are absolutely everywhere. Investing into the right package right out of the gate truly allows you to build the business the right way rather than spending all that time trying to figure out how to piece it all together. Right here at Asphalt Kingdom, we've got the solution for you.